All right, folks, welcome to the video. Anthony Speciale here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Can't wait to show you what a green bottom is. Maybe some of you have heard of it, maybe some of you have not. But a green bottom is when you get a reversal candle, right, that is specifically printing high buying volume. Okay? Inversely, a red top would be a significant reversal candle up high, printing high selling volume, right? So inversely, it can be used on both sides of the market. But what we're going to talk about today is the onset to new highs in the S&P 500 reversed off of a green bottom. In fact, two green bottoms. So when I see these green bottoms or red tops that are produced by the Hawkeye software, I know, hey, Mr. or Mrs. Trader, we need to start paying attention here because the market may potentially reverse off of either this high or this low. So I want to point your attention very specifically to a couple of these candles right here. Okay, so we have one there, and we also have another one right here. Okay, these are two high buying volume reversal style candles, and I'm gonna mark them off because we're gonna look at this, from a fairly significant perspective, right? Because I think that this is super meaningful. So we have two. I'll make that look even, so looks like a professional did it. All right. So we have a green bottom here, and we have a more significant green bottom here. Why is this one more significant? Couple reasons. You can see looking down below, we're paired with equal selling followed by buying volume. Okay, so that tells me that the buyers clearly rejected the sellers. Right over here, yes, we have selling followed by buying, but they're not nearly as intense. Back to back, high volume radar dots. Back to back, even volume selling versus buying. You can see that this selling candle advanced, I would say 70% of the way between its overall move, but this buying candle here pile drived the sellers higher. Okay, so when this happens, a couple things are transpiring. A, the buyers are stepping in saying, hey, we find value at this price, we're interested in buying. B, sellers are getting trapped. Okay, meaning the sellers pushed and they got stuck. Most of them are going to end up taking losses, which is only going to fuel the fire for the market to go higher. So identifying these are super key. We have back to back. If I saw this, I'd go, oh, wait a minute. This area right here is going to provide support moving forward, right? Now, it may get broken, and if it does, then I know from my mind that, hey, we have continuation to the downside. But if it's not broken, I'm going to feel really confident about a reversal starting to transpire. And this wasn't, guys, just any reversal, right? This was the onset to the following day placing all-time highs. And as we're actually shooting this video, the day after that is now breaking those highs, right? So let's just talk about these specific green bottoms here, right? How they were the onset to the S&P 500 pushing over 380 ticks, right? Now listen, maybe you didn't buy it here and maybe you didn't hold it the whole way, but you sure knew which direction to trade it, right? If you're intraday trading and you have double green bottoms down here stacked up and price can't seem to not only revisit them but penetrate them, you better be trading the market long. So having an insight to a significant reversal, coming in, analyzing that reversal and going, oh, I have two Hawkeye green bottoms, I better not try to short the market. All right? Look at again, if you're trading the overnight, it's choppy, whatever. The fact of the matter is, in the big picture, we made a substantial push. So what am I looking for when I see this? I'm looking for my unique approach to the market, my trade plan. How does Anthony Speciale attack the market, knowing the directions long, what criteria needs to be met in order for me to partake in a long trade, right? So that is unique to you, like it's unique to me. You need to build a trade plan. The whole premise here is I know which direction to trade in because the volume dictated it. And if you don't understand volume and price action, and you don't understand how volume will dictate what price action will do next, I'm going to invite you to view a very special training webinar. Below this video, I'm going to put a link. I encourage you to click on it, consume the content, call us, email us, ask any questions you may have. Because we want to put the Hawkeye volume software in your hands so that you can populate it on your trading screen. Whether it's TradeStation, TradingView, NinjaTrader, or MetaTrader, the software works exactly the same on all of them. It doesn't matter if you're trading stocks, futures, forex, cryptocurrencies, or options. Right? You can apply volume and price action theory to all of them. We're not only going to give you the indicators, we're going to give you access to the Hawkeye Mastery Library, where you can learn how to put these thought processes together, because there is a very unique relationship between volume and price action. How did I know not to short the market? Well, because volume told me. And I want volume to help tell you when, where, how, and why to approach the market. So I encourage you to click the links below, consume the content, reach out to us, guys. It doesn't matter if you're day trading, swing trading, or position trading. The relationship between volume and price action applies to every single time frame. So I don't want you to miss out on this valuable information, because I genuinely believe this will be the foundation to taking your trading to the next level. If you're brand new, this is the foundation you need to lay. If you've been at this for a little while, you may need to go back and relay this foundation, because many people overlook it because it's not the most simple to understand at first. But once it's understood, guys, it changes the way you look at everything. So click that link, consume the content, reach out to us. Let's get those Hawkeye indicators in your hands so that you can start employing volume and price action, understanding when, where, and why the market's potentially going to reverse, when, where, and why the market's going to potentially accelerate, and how you can capitalize on it. I'll see you in the next video. God bless, guys. Thank you so much for being here, and I will talk to you soon.